Welcome to the step one of the installation of the smart camera. So the first step is to install our V380 app. As you can see, we've already installed the V380 app. So we just have to register or to sign up to set up an account. So you swipe, try now. So you have to register now. So they'll ask for your country or your, yeah. So you put your email address or any email address that is close to you. So I'm using my email address. Omale goodness. Now, the reason why it's showing email already exists is because I already opened an account with this email on V380. So what I just have to do is to log in. So I'll put my email address, Omale goodness 3 at gmail.com. So I already set a password. Login. Now, after registering an account, you can just log in. So that is all for the step one. Thank you very much.